Hello, Blaine here from Plastering for Beginners, and today I'm going to show you a very quick video on the fastest and easiest way to fix corner bead. So first one, we've got plaster board. It's been dot and dabbed, and I'm going to show you the easiest way to fix a corner bead to it. So you get your measurement. One 845, get your bead, here's what we need to cut them. These are tin snips, these are looking a bit old now, but these are the Stanley aviation ones, unbelievable tin snips. I'll leave them in the description below, a link. You just gently snip them. And you snip the middle, what you do is you bend them off. Snaps off easy. But the secret weapon for the plaster board is this little bad boy, a staple gun. And this is the fastest and easiest way to fire corner bead into plaster board. So let me quickly show you. Offer it up. Aim for the grills either side of the bead. You literally just fire them in. So I'll give you a close-up view. The reason we want this particular model is because we've got an adjustable setting here, and this is where we get to see the tongues come out, and that's where you want to aim to get in the grill. So if I show you each one, we've got a file there, aim for the teeth, go in the hole, easy. Same on this side, literally just aim, fire. And as you can see, it's held it in nicely. You run it all the way up, and that is literally the fastest way to fix a corner bead using a staple gun. And this particular type I prefer because it's hard hitting and you've got so many options you can do with it. This one is the one to choose from. Same again. Now I'm not one-handed, just fire them in. So that's on. It's very easy to use. You've got a quick release here at the bottom. Pull that out. That's where you slide your staples in and out. Close it up. Job done. One bead done. Rapid. So there's that. Now another fast way is, this is existing. This is an existing plastered wall. This was done with solid plaster, and you will struggle to get your nails in there. You'll either blow your corner bead off or blow the render off away from here. And to be honest, to fix corner bead to existing can generally be a pain in the ass sometimes. So I'm going to show you a rapid way around that. What you want to do is mix a little bit of multi-finish plaster. And what you do, take a little bit in your trowel, put it onto the edges. And you literally take your corner bead, squeeze it into place, get it where you want it. Offer it in, then you literally clean the edges. That is it. Your bead's held on. You don't even have to let it dry that much. You can literally give it about 10-15 minutes, you can start skimming onto that. And that is the best way about messing about with pins, nails, affecting the render. Just use a bit of multi-finish, mix a big batch up before you start, get all your beads on, and then 15 minutes later you're ready to go and hit it again. It's just the fastest way to get beads on for existing and to get beads onto plasterboard. So a very quick video today. If you like this video, please subscribe for more tips on plastering and everything else in the kind. Cheers.